Welcome. Today we'll explore how to convert floating point numbers into human readable decimal format with commas separating thousands. This is useful in financial calculations, reports, and UI displays. Let's get started. This function ensures the numbers are displayed in an easy to read format, which is especially important for large figures. This function leverages JavaScript's built-in toLocaleString method, which formats numbers based on local settings. Here, we specify ENUS to add commas and ensure proper decimal formatting. This approach ensures that numbers are formatted correctly without needing additional logic for decimal placement or comma separation. The function correctly handles large numbers, decimals, and negative values, ensuring a clean and readable format. Number formatting is crucial in financial systems, UI dashboards, and large data reporting. This approach makes numbers more digestible for users. This method provides a simple and effective way to format numbers in JavaScript. Thank you for following along. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please make sure to like, share, subscribe for more JavaScript tutorials. I'll see you in the next one.